In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a purchase invoice in Xero. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top here and you want to click on purchases and then you want to click on bills, okay? Because entering a purchase invoice is basically the same as entering a bill. Then you want to go to the top right and click on a new bill and then you want to click on a new bill yet again. Now whenever you're in here, of course, you can of course create a new bill, but the alternative here is to click on the plus button top right and click on bill over here, and the same thing is going to open up, okay? Now in here you want to select who it's from, so I'm just going to type in tutorial sample over here or whatever, and I'm going to set this as a new contact, and then you have like the date, you have the due date over here, and then you also have the option to put in like a reference number as well. You can of course add different files, you can attach a total, you can add different currencies if you wanna, and then down here is where you actually put in the items, okay? So here I just have some samples. I'm going to put a few in here just so I can show you how this actually works. Now these are basically just some sample things which I have put in here because it's a demo company, but you get the point. That's how it's going to work, okay? Now whenever you've done that, you can of course put in the accounts, tax rates, etc. I'm just going to do no tax right now, and then you can either go and add new lines or add expenses to a customer or project, add notes at the bottom, and here you can either save or approve, and that's essentially all you have to do to enter a purchase invoice in Xero. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.